Hi guys, today we're going to look at video and audio editing. In this video, we're going to look at how you can make money from video and audio editing. The reason why we choose this topic is because it's easy to get started and very marketable. Video editing is the art of manipulation and combination of video files to create a completed video project. Nevertheless, audio editing generally refers to working with tracks using editing software. As a video and audio editor, there are some top-notch skills that you need to acquire. Like we said, a skill is far much better than a degree. The skills that we are talking about here are familiarity with editing software, SEO marketing, attention to detail, and problem solving. Some of the best softwares that you need to make your work outstanding are Adobe Premiere Pro, Animaker, and transcript. I know you're probably wondering how you will learn how to use these editing softwares. It's so simple, since all you need to do is visit these two websites, Udemy and Skillshare. With video and audio editing skills, you can specialize in film editing, television studio editing, project and sound engineering, and most importantly, general editing of video content. To increase your chances of getting these gigs, have a large network. This is all we had for you today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more ideas. See you.